Columbia with Coldwell Banker Oceanside Real Estate, and I am delighted to bring you this 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom condo that is very close to the University of Victoria, Camosun College, as well as all of the amenities that you could want. This condo is situated on major transit routes, and directly across the road you've got access to thrifty foods, you've got access to restaurants, and really many other amenities that you may desire. Just down the road from here is the University of Victoria, as well as Cabarrot Bay, where you can enjoy many of the lovely beaches that are just a short walk, cycle, or even a bus ride from where this condo is located. This condo has some great separation between the 2 main bedrooms. It features a natural gas fireplace, and it's a corner unit. So there's a great wraparound balcony where you can sit outside. It allows barbecues, it is pet friendly, and there are no age restrictions, which make this a great spot to live here in Victoria. If you've got questions and would like to schedule a viewing in person, I would love to send you all of the information. So please reach out. You can send me a text, you can call me, or you can send me an email, and I'd love to hear from you.